Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change your name on Bigo Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take guys is to open your Bigo Live application. After that, click on the me icon at the bottom of your screen. Then you see all these options right here. But if you look at the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice these two icons. Click on the person icon, and then you will still notice these two icons at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on the second one, and then scroll down. Now you find your name, or rather your information, your account informations like your name, gender, birthday, hometown, etc. So go ahead and click on your name, and then you can now change your name. So you can go ahead and change your name, and after changing your name, just go ahead and click on save at the top right corner of your screen. So guys, that's how you can actually do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this.